Everyone, this is Dr. Yati. Today we are going to discuss about Lagrange's method of undetermined multipliers. On that same method, today we have to discuss about some another example. Given that x plus y plus z equals to a, find the maximum value of x power m, y power n, z power p. Here, in this Lagrange's undetermined multipliers, we have to use how to solve the solution of extreme values given function of x, y, z, and also given to the subject to the conditions. Here in this another function we have to take phi of x comma y comma z. Here find the maximum value is here x power m, y power n, z power p. So here let us assume that f equals to x power m, y power n, z power p. Next phi equals to x plus y plus z minus a. According to the procedure of the solution of Lagrange's undetermined multipliers, here we have to solve the function f partially differentiating with respect to x, y, z, and also similar way phi partially differentiating with respect to x, y, z. Now first of all I can differentiate f partially differentiating with respect to x, y and z. Now I can differentiate f dou f by dou x means m into x power m minus 1 y power n z power p. Next dou f by dou y means y x power n into y power n minus 1 z power p. Next dou f by dou z means z only z power p differentiating partially here, so that x power m, y power n, p, z power p minus 1. This can be written as m x power m, next y power n, z power p by x. Next of all, this can be written as x power n, y power n into n, z power p by, here y power minus 1 means denominator we have to write. Next, in this x power m, y power n, p, z power p by z. Next I can differentiating phi with respect to x, y, z. Therefore dou phi by dou x equals to 1 and dou phi by dou y equals to 1. Next dou phi by dou z equals to 1. According to the process of the solution of Lagrange's multiplier, we have to write here dou f by dou x plus lambda into dou phi by dou x equals to 0. Next dou f by dou y plus lambda into dou phi by dou y equals to 0. Dou f by dou z plus lambda into dou phi by dou z equals to 0. Assume that this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2, this is equation number 3. Now here we have to substitute dou f by dou x means m x power m, y power n, z power p by x plus lambda into 1 equals to 0. This is 1. Next dou f by dou y means x power n, y power n, n into z power p by n into z power p by y plus lambda into 1 equals to 0. This is equation number 2. Next dou f by dou z means x power m, y power n, p, z power p by z plus lambda into 1 equals to 0. This is equation number 3. Therefore, equation number 1, I have to write here m into x power m, y power n, z power p. Already here we have to assume that f, x power m, y power n, z power p. That is m f by x plus lambda equals to 0. This is equation number 1. Next, again equation number 2 implies here also x power m, y power n, z power p means f. Sorry, here f. F into z power p. Sorry, f into n. N f by y plus lambda equals to 0. Equation number 3 implies, in this equation number 3, here also x power m, y power n, z power p means f. F p by z. This is p f by z plus lambda equals to 0. Again this can be written as lambda equals to minus m f by x, and this is lambda equals to minus n f by y, and this is lambda equals to minus p f by z. Okay, substitute this sorry, here also find out x value. Sorry, here x equals to x lambda equals to minus mf lambda equals to x plus y plus z. X equals to, that implies x equals to minus mf by lambda. Next, here we have to find out the value y. That is here, first of all write lambda y equals to minus nf. Next, y equals to minus nf by lambda. Next, here we have to substitute lambda z equals to minus pf. That implies z equals to minus pf by lambda. Okay, here in this x, y, z values substitute in phi of x, y, z. Okay, phi of x, y, z equals to 0. Substitute these x, y, z values, x, y, z values in the given subject to the conditions phi of x comma y comma z equals to 0. This is phi of x comma y comma z. This is f of x comma y comma z. Okay, here we have to substitute phi of x comma y comma z. That is x plus x means here we have to substitute phi of x, y, z equals to 0. That is x plus y plus z equals to minus a equals to 0. X means here x means minus mf by lambda. Minus mf by lambda. Y means minus nf by lambda. Z means minus pf by lambda minus a equals to 0. Here common here minus f of m plus n plus p by LCM means here lambda minus a equals to 0. Minus f by lambda into m plus n plus p equals to a. Here minus f into n plus m plus n plus p equals to lambda a. Lambda equals to minus f by a m plus n plus p. This is lambda value. Substitute this lambda value. Substitute this lambda value in xyz. We get substitute this lambda value in xyz. We get the points. XYZ points. We get the points. We get the points x comma y comma z. Okay, here substitute lambda value x y z. Here substitute lambda value x y z means here substitute lambda value x comma y comma z. First of all, here x means minus mf by lambda. X means minus mf by lambda. That is minus mf by lambda means here we have to substitute minus f by a m plus n plus p. Okay, this can be written as minus minus plus f gets cancels. Here write a by f gets cancels. Next here m a by m plus n plus p. This is x. m a by n m plus n plus p. This is x. And also y equals to, here substitute lambda value in y. Y means here y means minus nf by lambda. Y means minus nf by lambda. Y means minus nf by lambda. That equals to minus nf by lambda means minus f by a into minus f by a into m plus n plus p. Here also f gets cancels. Then here minus minus means plus. So here write n a. That is a n a by m plus n plus p. n a by m plus n plus p. Next, this is y. Next, we have to substitute lambda value in z. Z equals to here minus here z equals to minus pf by lambda, minus pf by lambda. So here minus pf by lambda means here also minus f by a into m plus n plus p, minus f by a into m plus n plus p. Next, so here also minus minus plus ff gets cancels. This is a or p a by m plus n plus p. Okay, this is z. The points will get x, y, z equals to, first of all, x means here ma by m plus n plus p, comma na by m plus n plus p, comma pa by m plus n plus p. This is the pointer. Substitute in this point given function of variable x, y, z, f. That is f means here substitute this point in the given function of variable x, y, z, f of x comma y comma z. That is therefore f equals to x power m, y power n, z power p. Okay, substitute here. X means ma by m plus n plus p whole power m. Next of all, here y means na by m plus n plus p whole power n. Next z means here z means pa by m plus n plus p whole power p. This is f. Here f equals to this is m power m, this is n power n, this is p power p. So here write m n p whole power m plus n plus p. Again here a power m, a power n, a power p. This can be written as a power m plus n plus p by here m plus n plus p whole power a power m, a power n, a power z whole power in the here write formula for a power m into a power n means you have to write a power m plus n. Bases are equal, then we have to equal, powers are equal. In this write m plus n plus p, here also m plus n plus p, here also m plus n plus p. Here in three bases are equal, we get right powers adding, that is m plus n plus p. Okay, this is the maximum value of the given function f, given functions of variables x, y, z. Okay, thank you.